Today we'll go over an overview of what the signal transduction pathway looks like for a transmembrane membrane receptor known as human epidermal growth factor, or EGF for short. When taking a closer look at the cell membrane, we can see that the EGF receptor, or EGFR, is embedded within it. The EGF ligand binds to the EGF receptor, which triggers the cell to begin growth and division. Once the ligand binds to the receptor, the tyrosine kinase portion of the EGFR becomes active. The receptor undergoes phosphorylation, which means it adds phosphate groups to itself. This process activates the other proteins inside the cell, starting the signal transduction pathway. One of the first proteins to interact with EGFR is called GRB2. GRB2 then activates another protein known as SOS. This step marks the beginning of the signal cascade. When SOS is activated, it activates the small g protein called RAS. RAS normally binds to a molecule called GDP when inactive. When SOS activates RAS, the GDP is replaced by GTP, turning on RAS on. Active RAS then triggers a chain reaction of other protein activations, first RAF, then MEK, and finally MAPK, which stands for mitogen activated protein kinase. MAPK then travels into a cell nucleus where it activates a transcription factor known as CREB. Once CREB is activated, it turns on genes responsible for growth and division. This process ensures that cells grow and repair tissues when needed. However, if this pathway becomes overactive, it can lead to uncontrolled cell growth, which may result in cancer, and that is the signal transduction pathway for human epidermal growth factor.